Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and very good morning to all of you. I hope you are safe and sound. Welcome to Millie's Telegram classes. This is a grammar lesson for intermediate level part 1. In this lesson today, we're going to talk about the remaining types of pronoun. So first of all, let's talk about reflexive pronouns. Okay. They are pronouns in which the subject and object of a sentence refer to the same person. Remember, reflexive is taken from reflection. It means that when something goes from you and comes back to you. In reflexive pronoun, we show that the subject and the object of a sentence are the same person. Now let's talk about the number of reflexive pronouns. As you all know that we've got 7 subject pronouns. Likewise, we've got 7 reflexive pronouns. The subject pronoun I has the reflexive pronoun myself. You, singular, yourself. You, plural, yourselves. He, himself. She, herself. It, itself. We, ourselves. And they, themselves. Let's talk about the usages of reflexive pronouns. They are used as the object of a verb. Reflexive pronouns can be used as the object of certain verbs, and this is the most common use of them. For example, I hurt myself. I is the subject, myself is the object, and in fact both of them talk about the same person, that is me. They will help themselves. He loves himself. In all these sentences, the reflexive pronouns are used as the object of the verb. The second use is they are used as the object of a preposition, not a verb. For example, I bought a present for myself. She did it by herself. It means that she did it alone, no one helped her. That man is talking to himself. Note, they are also called emphasizing or emphatic pronouns when used directly after the subject. One of the usages of a reflexive pronoun is that we can use it after the subject of a sentence. At that time, we can call it an emphasizing or emphatic pronoun because it emphasizes on an action. For example, he himself did the work. So, who did the work? He did the work. No one helped him. She herself cleaned the room. No one helped her in cleaning the room. Now, let's do an oral exercise. Fill in the blanks with myself, yourself, herself, himself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, or themselves. Let me do the first one. Every morning, I wash myself and clean my teeth. Good luck with the rest of them. Okay, so now let's talk about the answers. Number 2. Jane is a baby. She is too small to eat by herself. 3. Waleed is very lazy. He always copies his friend's homework and never does it by himself. 4. The children can decorate the Christmas tree by themselves. 5. Sarah is always looking at herself in the mirror. This concludes our session for today. Do not forget the exercise on the same lesson. Remember, this was just a short version of our today's lesson, and the same lesson is taught in complete details in our regular classes. Thank you very much.